This is Yomu. She's apparently a laptop my mom bought back in 1997 or so, and used throughout her time in uni. She eventually became my childhood laptop, apparently. I have no memory of it, and I cleaned her up and installed Windows 98 SE on her. But I'm a Unix girly at heart. I'm a Debian girly. How can I ever have a computer without a bash shell on it? That's unacceptable. It's absolutely cinema. Oh my goodness. Old Debian looks so cool. Okay, booting the kernel. Let's see, we should have enough RAM. Probably. Right? Okay. I actually don't know if it makes a RAM disk or not, but regardless. English, Canada, American English. This looks so, like, similar to the modern install process, though. Like, I got excited there for a moment because I thought it was trying to detect my Wi-Fi PCMCIA card, which I knew it had no business detecting. Alas, it would hang here forever. I went through a lot of kernel boot parameters, but it turned out to actually be a BIOS issue of some sort in this machine. I ended up setting device config to set up by OS, since I guess it doesn't like having the BIOS meddle in its device detection. Oh, it's back on. Oh, network hardware. PC card? No Ethernet card was detected. Okay, so it is asking for PCMCIA. Can I just say no Ethernet card for now? I do have this guy, which is some PCMCIA Ethernet card. But the problem is I don't have Ethernet in my room, so that's why I have this guy. So for now, I'm just gonna do no internet. Okay, partitioner. We have 2 gigs of storage. Oh my goodness gracious. Manually added partition table. I wonder if we can install with like 500 gigs. I don't know what we can do with 500 gigs, but okay. So FAT16, that's our Windows 98. Can we... Okay, I don't think we can edit that kind of partition here. Let me see if I can get like a... What I was trying to say here is that I need to go out of the Debian install process in order to actually resize my Windows 98 partition. I don't actually want to delete Windows on here. I just want to dual boot Debian and Windows 98 if possible. I didn't already have a partition manager for Windows 98, one that was good at least, so I looked for a suitable version of Partition Magic. Also, ignore my very Apple-approved MacBook here. It was just a machine I had on hand with a DVD drive. Partition Magic! Yay! Oh my goodness gracious, that's an installer if I've ever seen one. Wow, okay. Let's install. And it's small now, what the heck? Yo. Hello? You good? It was not, in fact, good. Despite my best efforts not to burn another CD, I ended up going with Partition Magic 7 as the right tool for the job. Okay, Partition Magic 7. Hopefully that is better. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it looks kind of the same. Install. Okay. Partition Magic, right? Okay, thank God. It's actually doing something. Yes. Yes. That shouldn't have been that hard. That should not have been that hard. Serial number. I'll be right back. Okay, just did not commit software piracy. Wow, Microsoft Windows XP support. Damn. Support for 80 gig hard drives? Mind-blowing. Insane. Okay, awesome. We're in partition magic. Okay, so, resize and move. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, that is what I want. Yeah, we don't have a whole ton of space to work with, but I think, let's give her 800. I'm not gonna have a swap partition, which it might be mad about, but I don't care, we don't have too much space. 800, sure. Oh, we can make ext2 and swap, but I'm gonna leave that to Debian to do, because it might not be ext2, or it might make a different weird partition scheme, but yeah. How do we apply? Apply changes. Yes. Okay. So, from what I remember, doing this in Windows 2000, it'll restart and then go into some weird mode where it resizes partitions, but we'll see. I am gonna let it do its thing. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Awesome. It's doing its thing. This will take a while. I was wrong. That's not good. That's not very good at all. Let's open up partition magic and see what happened. Yeah, it just didn't do anything. Let's see our disk fragmentation. Though I knew that defragging the disk probably wouldn't do that much, I was tired and I wanted to nap. So I proceeded to let this run and be a sleepy kitty. Oh, by the way, it just worked after my nap. I'm really not sure why. Probably a Windows 9X moment, honestly. Alright, we're connected, but we can't use the HTTP. We are going to make your network manually. I think, if I remember correctly, it's a 192 network, and this is 192.168.1.2. Okay. And then netmask, sure. Gateway 192.168.1.1. Oh, so this is asking for name server. I mean, 1 dot should be fine as a name server. An error card. Okay. Domain name. Whatever. Okay, well, I'm not sure if it's gonna do that for now, but it does see the network card, which is very good. Alright, largest contiguous free space. I think that should just see the 800 gigabyte partition. Let's see if it just tells us what it did. It should, probably. Okay. Oh, it did create a little swap. That's actually, I didn't realize. Yeah, we have 64 megs of RAM. We're gonna need some swap. You know, I'm completely fine with this. Yeah, no, that looks good. Also, yeah, in partition magic, we had ext2, but this is doing ext3, so it's good that we didn't create it there. Okay, finish partitioning. Yes. Looks good. Yay! Okay. Alright, so we've actually installed Debian. Well, we don't have Grub yet. Wait, Grub? We're not using Lilo? Using Grub? That's actually a surprise to me. I wonder what version of Grub it is. Anyways, blah 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 blah. Bootloader, install the, yep, yep. Cause it found 95, 98 me, doesn't know which one. Finishing the installation. Whoa. So we're not gonna choose any extra packages right now? Is it gonna reboot us into Debian then? Whoa. It did. It ejected the CD. Installation is complete. Yep. Okay. Alright. Okay. Grub 0.95. That's so cool. Okay. So we get, it just says 95 98 me. Yep. Kernel 2.4.27. I don't remember exactly when this came out, but it's a pretty good kernel version for that, yeah. Ah, it's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, HDA, HDC, okay. XT3. Oh yeah, by the way, the clock battery works in this. This is just stock. It knows it's 2026. That's insane. Let me show you that again. Oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah, I know how to install the drivers for it, but that's crazy. We have ETH0. It just sees that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my. Configuring the base system. Alright. Debian base system configured. Welcome to your new Debian system. Yay! Walk you through setting up time zone, blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yes it is. I am in Central Time Zone. The sarge has been through a lot today. Okay. We are not gonna do that right now. I could burn more CDs. However, app configuration. Cannot, blah blah blah. Yeah, because you don't have internet. Oh my god, it's apt! It's apt! Oh my goodness gracious, it's apt! Okay. Oh, this is where we select file stuff. Okay, okay. So, I do want a desktop environment, of course. Web server, print server, we don't want to make this a server of any kind. Also manual package selection. I don't know which desktop environment it's gonna... Should I have selected that? I don't know. Oh my god, we are using old Linux. Oh, we are so using old Linux. Okay. Okay, so it's saying it'll use all of these. We don't really have that. Okay, it's selecting GNOME. I think GNOME is too much, honestly. It's just too heavy. We don't have enough disk space. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Like, we'll get a disk space error, won't we? Or it might say, oh, you don't have enough disk space to install this, blah, blah, blah. Too bad. Okay, it's just getting that from the CD-ROM. What are some noises? Yeah, I want to quit out if I can, because I don't want GNOME. I'm not sure what it's doing right now. I haven't really used aptitude ever. I mean, I am an app user, but it's not exactly very old Debian, is it? Fuck. Oh, fuck. If you're not sure why I'm upset here, consider yourself lucky. Linux installs nowadays can auto-detect any hardware that you may have and very easily use the best resolution color depth for it. This was not the case back in the day. While Xconfigurator could detect some of your hardware, most likely you'll end up having to do quite a lot of manual configuration, such as knowing how much VRAM your graphics chip has, or what the vertical and horizontal refresh ranges of your monitor are. Do you know those? Neither do I. Thus began my torturous fight with Xconfigurator. Okay, apparently it's a C&T 65555 chips in technology, which I have never heard of in my entire life, but no way. No, is that it? What? Okay. If you have a mouse attached to computer, nipple, yes. Let's see what it can do. It is. This is a passive matrix display. It's LCD, but yes. I'm just gonna go medium for now. I know it's 800 by 600. I think 60 hertz? That would make sense. Oh, it's still installing stuff. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna have enough disk space. I just don't think we will. Like, of course we need BC, bin utils, because I want to compile stuff on this thing. But, yeah, I do worry once it gets to the GNOME packages, if it'll actually be able to have stuff. So remember when I said that I think space would be a problem? Yeah, it is. Oh goodness. Oh, it's not happy. Welcome to your new... Oh, we've seen this before. Okay, I'm gonna go into a TTY, try to uninstall some actually no. Let's just go through this. I'm in Central Time Zone, yay. No, yeah, I am gonna go into a TTY. Hi there. Yeah, so as you could probably guess, I reinstalled. It was the simplest way. So let's not choose desktop environment. Completely manual package selection. Okay, this looks a lot better. Yeah, I've never used aptitude before. This is really cool. Virtual packages sounds a lot like meta packages. Yeah, like GNOME desktop. For right now, I think I'm just going to install basically nothing. Yeah, I'll do this later. Cause I want to make sure I have a shell. I can install what I want, just with apt. Thank you for choosing Debian! Setup of your Debian system is complete. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, so we can run base config if we want to do this, and I'm sure we can run aptitude as well to like configure packages, but Oh my god, are we gonna get a shell? Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Okay. This has been unchanged. Oh my god. Debian GNU Linux comes with absolutely no warranty to the extent permitted by the applicable law. Okay. We have Bash. Oh my god, we have Bash. This is huge. This is huge. Okay. Okay, so we do have sudo. It spins up the disk. That's so funny. Okay. We have sudo. I might try KDE. I'm gonna go F10. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Marks. What? Play Minesweeper? Don't. Huh? What? Why is this a thing? Fuck. Okay. That's actually insane. WMaker. Oh my goodness gracious, we're using Window Maker. Absolutely. Don't mind if I do. 50 megs of disk space. That is not bad at all. Sure. Go for it. Awesome. Oh, it just brings you back into aptitude. I'm not seeing straight up X server. I'm not seeing straight up X server, she says. Sure. Install. I love how it just spins up the CD and finds everything it needs from there. We'll be back. It should be fine because that's only 100 megs and we have 800, so cool. It's dropping us straight into X server X386. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing. Medium. Okay. We know 800 by 600. It does support 24-bit color in Windows 98, so this should work theoretically. Though drivers are a thing, for sure. Alright, let's see if we have StartX now. Oh, okay. It's not gonna load straight into Window Maker. Okay, oops. Okay, yeah, I didn't know what the heck to do for this because no dev input mouse. So let's just see what we do have in dev. I don't know. Oh my god, I got the mouse working somehow. Oh my god, I just put it in PSOX, whatever the fuck, and we have X. Oh my god, we have X. We have X. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's X. Can I get out? I don't know how to get out. I'll just go to a TTY. Okay, I just restarted. We have GNU step and xnet RC. So please. Okay. Load and start. Wait. We have a mouse. This just looks like X. But if I can start X and say, hey, also never mind. It was just loading. What? I wanted to say here that I was thinking of starting X with a launch option to open Xterm when fully loaded, but of course, I ended up not needing that here. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Let's run Xterm. Fuck, we don't have Xterm. I forgot to get Xterm. Let's go into a TTY real quick. I also took the time here to download a lot of other packages that we're missing, and generally make it a much more usable install of Debian. Okay, so I downloaded some more stuff, installed Firefox for real, and I did get something asking me, hey, we found ETH0, do you want to set it up? Of course I said yes, but it doesn't seem like we are connected still. Oh my goodness, it's Firefox, that's so cool. Oh my god. What version of Firefox is this? Firefox 1.0. Wow. Firefox 1.0, huh? That's awesome. I don't expect anything. Yeah. Can't resolve hostname. No connection whatsoever. Okay, I'm gonna go for a while, try to configure all this, because it'll probably take a while. Some fuckery has taken place. Basically, this fucking PCMCIA card, it's a combo modem and Ethernet card. So, this means there's two devices that try to fight for it. IRQ is not really something I'd understood before, because it's not something that we really deal with on modern systems, at least manually like I did here. IRQ stands for interrupt request, and are basically different lanes that are used by hardware to poke the CPU to say, hey, pay attention to what I'm doing, I have data for you, instead of the CPU constantly poking the hardware to see if it has something to say, like with modern keyboards and mice. Two devices here. There's the Ethernet controller and the serial controller. The serial controller always expects to be on IRQ4. There is a serial port here. This is a serial controller. They are fighting. Therefore, I went to the BIOS, disabled the serial port, so that this thing can take up IRQ4, and it works. Now, I don't know if DNS resolution works. I don't know if we have internet, but we can ping 192.168.1.1, which is that guy. Oh my god. There's no way. There's no way. Okay. Let's get into window maker here. Alright, so I was not able to find an external package on whatever this ISO has. However, on Xiterm, this is some fuck-ass package that is Xterm with TIE support. Why does it exist? I'm not really sure, but we have a terminal in Window Maker now, which is pretty sick. And also, let's browse the internet. Whoa. Let's try connecting to my Nginx server. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cool, that's so cool. Okay, I updated my etc app sources.list to, I think, include sarge repos that are online still. I don't know if archive.debian.org actually offers the packages or not. Okay, nothing. I do have more package lists, at least. Let's try htop. Yeah. Oh my god. No way. No way. Did it actually download? I know I shouldn't be shocked, but it's like, it's insane. They still have repos up for this thing. Like, oh my god, shout out Debian. Wow. Wow, Debian's amazing. I love Debian. Holy shit. Oh, I can probably get actual Xterm now. Connecting to archive.debian.org. Oh my god, that's Aura. That's Aura. I love Xterm. It's so Aura to me. Xterm just feels awesome. Other terminal emulators are nice, but Window Maker plus Xterm, it just feels right to me. This is so pretty. I then proceeded to do a little off-camera mining, and finally deal with Xconfigurator once and for all. Oh my goodness gracious, finally. I had to deal with so many clock settings and whatnot. 800 by 600! Yes! Hold on. Oh, it looks so crisp. It looks so crisp. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I was editing clock settings in here and just set this to 31.5 because that's what this chip likes, apparently. I have to look through these fuck-ass clock settings. FP clock 31.5, seems happy with that, so, oh my goodness. Well, it has been a little bit. I have gotten 800 by 600, 24-bit color working. There's a lot of X configuration. It sucks. But whatever. The most exciting thing of all, in my opinion, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. So, I compiled a newer version of Bash. I forget what this comes with, but since we have internet, I downloaded a newer version of Bash, compiled it. There were some GCC dependencies, whatever, but neofetch. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And of course it's Yomer. Well, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. We got this lovely laptop with a lovely window maker setup, external configured, internet works. Well, it's not plugged in right now because it has a working battery. Oh my goodness gracious, that's so cool. This is just stock and the battery works. But anyways, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. This is my first attempt at making a sort of video like this. So, yeah. I do lots of stuff with computers like this all the time, so I figured I'd start documenting some of it, and if you'd like to see it, then feel free to subscribe. Peace!